Been studying gravity a little bit in my free time. It's kind of interesting that the concept of zero gravity doesn't actually exist. To have actual pure zero gravity, you would need to have a vacuum, but no true vacuum exists in nature. So the only way to get that would be an artificial vacuum. But all artificial vacuums require things to make them, which would then introduce gravity. Because everything down to the subatomic scale has gravity to one degree or another. Even if once you get down to the atom size, it becomes ridiculously small, it still exists. So, much like absolute zero in terms of temperature, absolute Z, G? I don't know. I don't remember what the notation for gravity is. It's probably large G. But absolute zero gravity can't exist because the items needed to make it would interfere. The only way that would theoretically be possible would be to step outside of the universe and be able to measure it there to see how things actually act in zero G. Why you'd want to do this, I don't know. Outside of perhaps seeing what happens when you introduce gravity into a place where gravity doesn't exist, which is what would happen. Because I think even theoretically energy has gravity, but that's one of the weird things where it's only kind of yes and no at the same time. Like having mass. But I don't know. I'm going to look more into this later because this is an interesting subject to me. But yeah, gravity's weird. And there is no zero G apparently. Thanks for listening.